All right, good morning, everyone. We're coming up on 6:45 now, and temperatures, well, we got a whole slew of temperatures for you across the state. 72 in Key West, 55 here in Sarasota, 36 in Tallahassee. I think a cold front moved through, and I think it is right about here in southern Florida. And the temperature change is pretty drastic over the last 24 hours. We're talking 19 degrees colder than it was at this time yesterday here in Sarasota. 25 degrees colder in Tallahassee, so definitely a cooler, drier air mass filtering in, and you can see that here in the satellite picture. Mostly clear skies, clouds just to our south with that cold front. Of course, it has weakened as it moved further south. You saw that with the temperatures in the 70s in the Keys. The balmy weather stays there. We'll be pretty cool and brisk today with these northerly winds coming in at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We won't see very much warmth today. High temperatures will stay sub 70 degrees in most locations. Here's that cold front again, well to our south. All the moisture staying down there, and the wintry stuff, of course, well to our north. We're right in between, and it's not all that warm today. First bell as you're heading to the bus stop, temperatures in the low to mid range of the 50s. For lunchtime, temperatures will only be at 62 degrees, and it's still going to be breezy and cool, especially in the shade. High temperatures will end up in the upper range of the 60s, so you're going to need long pants, jacket, sweater all day pretty much here across the Sun Coast. Everyone will be below 70 along the coast, low 70s for our inland areas. And around the nation, that big storm system that dumped a lot of snow to the big cities of the Northeast yesterday is now offshore, and behind it, just a few flakes flying in portions of the Ohio Valley. Otherwise, mostly quiet across the country. And that's going to pretty much be the case as we go into the mid part of the week. Any of the active weather will stay to the north, but mild weather will settle in across much of the southern 2/3 of the country toward the middle part of the week. And that's just about a week before Christmas. Beach forecast, 68 degrees. Not the best of days to go to the beach. A little too cool in my opinion. Water temperature also about 68, 69 degrees. And that surf, a little high because of the winds, 2 to 3 feet. And if you're going offshore, seas 2 to 4 feet, winds northerly at about 15 knots. And your 7-day forecast shows that we do warm up Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, though, we're back in the low to mid 80s. Oh yeah, and Saturday is the first day of winter. We'll be seeing near record highs, believe it or not. Let's take a look at traffic now with Chuck Whitaker.